Welcome back, guys. Hope you'll enjoy today's video too. Stay safe.
Bro. Oh, clobbered, jackass.
Sir, are you f***ing kidding me?
That's him.
Too coy. Make a circle and it's about life and death. And hey, stupid mother.
Yeah. Has never wavered in that support of them. Yeah. Still letting young people get that or understand that connection. It was a different time. Thousands and thousands of people were dying.
Yeah, that was insane.
Over a long period of time.
Yeah. And even when
Chicago. I was from Boston, and we just met in California.
That's what's weird about Boston. Like, choosing somebody else that you're not angry at.
Right.
Is a wild thing to think about.
It is wild.
Come on!
Yeah. They do it all the time. You know, a lot of MMA fighters are good
Stop.
because, you know, they go out and train together, and then they go and they fight.
Time on the sporting calendar, the summertime. I think in the next coming weeks it's the most down time when there's the All-Star game break in baseball.
Hi.
Something that was unexpected on TV last night.
Draft of her decision prepared, but it's just a draft. She's unable to finalize it until she receives what she's asking for. What I
Holy shit! Just stop. Park. Stay with her. Do your OnStar. Wow. Oh. Oh.
Please get out of the road. Alright, buddy, whenever you're ready. Oh, almost got it. Alright, okay. Alrighty. Take away. Oh, oh. Not the right one? Alright. Oh, no, come on back. Alright. No, come on back again.
We need to talk about this, Albie. Or need to... You always ruin everything! He stands up, his face puce and eyes shining. I didn't even want to come back for tea because it's boring down here. He storms out of the room. I hear him stomping upstairs, and then he slams his bedroom door so hard, I swear the cottage shudders on its own.
Caramel cold brew M&Ms, that is. A delicious combination of smooth, robust coffee flavor and sweet, chewy caramel. Covered in a
Well, folks, that's all we got for today. Thanks for watching. Until next time.